Welcome to the mathematics class, children. Yes, it's a topic that is money. All the children, you are aware about the currency, the money, isn't it, children? See what I am having in mind. This is the mathematics class. Today we are going to begin with the chapter money. What are these? Yes, I know all the children know about this, isn't it, children? Anna, this is Indian rupees, Indian currency. Okay, these are coins. Okay, okay. You must be having the this thing games, the business game, and you must be having those fake currencies with you. Fake means nakli, है ना? So after going through this activity, I would like to expect, or I would like to request you to please practice with those money. And what you have to practice after going through this video only, you do it better. Okay, now this is called Indian currency. What is it? Indian currency. These are notes, rupees, and these are coins. Okay, children, this you have already learned in standard 1. So today we'll be practicing, or we will learn how to add, okay, money. Okay, now first let me tell you, let us make it clear. I think you must have seen this. We'll begin with 1 rupee coin. Nowadays this is 1 rupee coin, beta. Okay, this is also 1 rupee. Okay, this is 2 rupees coin. 1 rupee, 2 rupees. This is also 2. Okay, this is 5 rupees coin, and these are both 10 rupees coin. Okay, beta. Okay, now nowadays we earlier, a few years back, we had 1 rupee, 5 rupees also, 2 rupees notes also. Now the government has banned, so now nowadays we have 10 rupees. All of you know that, I think so. This is 20, beta. 20 rupees. This is again 10. Okay, then we have 50 rupees. Okay, then 100 rupees. I know you all are aware about this. 200. This is 500 note. Okay, till now we'll study with these only. Okay, now let us begin. Let us take few example. I know notes, and these are called as Indian currency. Once again, let me tell you, children. Okay, now we'll go to the shop. We'll do shopping. Okay, chalo, let's begin. Now we went to the shop, and you feel like making a peda or making a cake, and for that you need every day, this is a milk powder. Okay, so you went to the shop, and the rate is already written over here. Okay, this is for 10 rupees. Okay, so we went to the shop and we bought everyday milk. This is a powder milk, beta, and this is used to make sweet dishes, and this is used to make tea. Nowadays nobody drink. Earlier they used to drink, and they make a peda, a recipe which has been shown in the Google, in the YouTube also. Many things have been made out of this, and many people, they use it to for making the cake. Okay, so this, we went to the shop, and you bought this, and this you asked that person, this is for how much? So he said rupees 10. Okay, so how we are going to write the rupees, beta? Yes, nowadays we write the rupees this way. Ra, that Hindi ra we write, then one line, one sleeping line this way. Okay, rupees 10. Okay, then you told that I want ink pen. You went to the other shop, general store, and he gave you this Ronald ink pen. Okay, this is for 10 rupees. This is for, again, rupees 10. Okay, done. Now let us add a very simple way. I have taken first the small amount, then we'll go to the bigger amount. 0 plus 0 is how much? 0. 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So how much it is? Rupees 20. Okay, now we'll go for the bigger amount. You went with your mama to the big bazaar, and you bought tuar dal. I purposely took this to teach you that this is called as a dal also, beta. You might have seen this every day. She mama must be making. The other word for this is arhar dal. In Hindi we say tuar dal. In English we say, what do we say? Gram. Gram का मतलब होता है this. In English we say dal, not gram. Sorry, gram means chana. This is dal. Okay, and it has so many dals are there. Tuar dal, moong dal. You must be knowing, beta. So this is the dal which everyday mama must be making. And let us see the amount. What is written over here? Now see, I'll show you. See this. This is for 149. So we will write here rupees 149. 149. Okay. Then, oh, do you love papad? Isn't it? Yes. Now this papad is for Lijjat papad. It is for 60 rupees. Okay, beta. So we will add up. How much you have to give it to the shopkeeper? I'll write 60 over here because this is only 2-digit number. Always remember they are in ones and the tens place. Okay. When it is a 3-digit number, then it comes to hundreds. Let us add up. 9 plus 0 is 9. Then take big number. 4 and 6. 6 is big number. So we'll take 6 in mind. 4 fingers up. Forward counting after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we will do, carry over, regrouping. We will give 1 to hundreds place here. So this 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So total amount, how much you have to give it to the shopkeeper? 209. Okay, now what we will do, we'll take the same amount and we'll do subtraction. This is how we do addition. I forgot to put an addition plus sign, beta. Without this, the sum is incomplete. So we need to put the addition sign. That is very important. Same number we'll take and we'll do subtraction. Let us take this. Okay, again 149. Okay, and how we are going to subtract? Let us see if the same number is been told to subtract. How we will do the subtraction? Minus sign first of all. 9 minus 0. 0 is nothing, so 9 will remain as it is. Now can you subtract 4 minus 6? No. So 4 will go and take the help of 1. So 1 says, okay, I am alone, so I would like to help you. This 1 tens come over here. So 110 plus 4 becomes 14. So out of 14, we will subtract 6. We'll take away 6. So what we will do, we'll do backward counting. You take 6 fingers up. Now this is 14. So what comes before 14? 13. Start from 13. 13, 12, yes, 11, 10, 9, 8. So 8 is the answer. So how much is left now after subtracting? 89. Now children, this is you buy, you give, and your change. Sometimes what happens, you give more amount to the shopkeeper and the shopkeeper has to give away the change. So let us do some exercise related to this. Now let us see that suppose you went to buy this pen. Okay. So this is for 10 rupees. You buy this and this is for rupees 10. Okay. But you have 20 rupees. So you gave this, you said, Bhaiya, I want this. He said, this is for 10 rupees. So you buy a pen for 10 rupees. Okay. Now, but you have 20 rupees. So how much you gave? You gave to the shopkeeper 20. Okay. Now what we have to do is that in your change means you need to do subtraction because you are getting the money, the return, the money is left out. So your change means paisa bach gaya. Okay. So now what are the two? The you want to buy an item of 10 rupees, but you gave to the shopkeeper 20 rupees. So what we will do? We'll take this bigger number, that is which you gave 20. Out of 20 you bought a item for 10. So we will subtract. So this becomes 10. So what is the change? The change is rupees 10. Done? Okay, good. Now children, you want to buy this papad. This is for 60 rupees. Okay. Okay. Now, but you have 100 rupees. You don't have change. So you gave, how much you gave? You buy an item of 60 rupees. You gave rupees 100 to the shopkeeper. Okay. So what will be your change? So what we will do next? So we'll write a bigger number, 100 we will take. From 100, you subtract minus 60. है ना? This shopkeeper is doing for you. You will take the, है ना? Now this is 100. From 100, we will minus this. 0 minus 0 will give you 0. This 0 you cannot subtract. So this 1 will come over here. So 10 plus 0 will become 10. From 10, you subtract 6. How much is left? Yes, 4. You know how to do subtraction, beta? So 4. That means this is your change. That is 40 rupees. So the shopkeeper will be returning you the 40 rupees. Okay, we'll take one more example. You went to the shop. Sorry. You went to the shop. You bought this dal. This dal is of 149. Dal is of 149. This you buy. Okay. But what you did? You gave 200 rupees to the shopkeeper. You had no change. So how much you gave? You gave 200. How much you gave? 200. And what will be your change? Of course, the bigger number up. We'll take 200 up. 149. 149. Let us see now. Okay. From 0, can you subtract 9? No. So 0 will go over here. Now this we have not taught, but still I would like to teach you better. Again the 0 says, oh, I don't have, but I would like to help you. This 0 will go to 2. Say 2, will you please help me? 2 says, okay, I'll help you. 2 will become 1 and give 1 to this number 0. Now this will become 10. So he says, oh, he's so happy now, right? Now he says, come on, I have 10 now. You take 1 from me. So 10 becomes 9 and give 1 to 0. So now from 10, we will subtract 9. So we get 1. Here it is 9. So from 9, you take away 4. So what remains is 5. So what is your change? The shopkeeper will give you your change, that is 51 rupees. Now children, please remember all these things which I have taught you. And I want you, if you have a fake notes like these are the real ones. So please practice this. You can take help of your business game. Thank you and have a nice day, beta.